Hello, Exshaw families. This is Miss Brinlin. I'm outside. Thought I'd change it up a little bit and give an example of how we can nourish our spirit and our soul by going outside. This is the river. I'm going to show you the landscape of where I am right now. See if you can hear and notice what you see. If you can name the mountains, see the water running, some of the ice that's falling over. The intention of this video is to show you how you can spend some time outdoors with your family, nurturing your spirit. And as you spend time outdoors, try to engage your senses. Listen to what's around you. Can you hear any birds? Or the water running? Or people playing, laughter, or cars driving by? And what do you see? Do you see houses? Do you see people? Do you see any animals? What can you sense? I can feel the cold on my cheeks. I can feel the sheep skin shearling in my mittens. I can hear the wind. Spend some time outside. You can go out there with your family, with your pet. This is Sitka. And you get to use your mind and your body and your spirit and your emotions. Being outside can help with all of those things. We're going to continue on our walk and see what else we can find. Looks like I found some treats in the snow. We're going to continue out here, going for our walk, and perhaps you can do the same thing.